Every big idea starts with a question, a problem that needs to be solved, a passion to invent something new. We believe that through innovation and creativity, big ideas come to life. Introducing the BigRep 1, a revolution in large-scale 3D printing. The One's award-winning design is rooted in uncompromising German engineering. Built with a capacity of over 1 cubic meter, the BigRep 1 has the largest FDM build volume on the market. With the BigRep 1, there's no need to scale down your original designs. Print objects quickly, reliably, and consistently. The open build design ensures that the user has the best possible view for monitoring quality from all angles. The two modular print heads allow for top flexibility when printing in 2 colors or with support materials. Their independent movement ensures a clean print result while changing between filaments. The print heads can be equipped with either 0.5, 1, or 2 millimeter nozzles. The 2 millimeter nozzle slashes build time. Whether you're producing a series of objects or designing a single product, large-scale prints now build faster. An integrated control unit and touch panel allow you to monitor print time, change the speed, or even adjust the temperature of the print bed, all while the print is in progress. Ideate, design, print. Here at BigRep, we're making big ideas a reality for everyone. What is your next big idea?